Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to add someone on Viber using our phone number. First, open Viber on your mobile phone. Then you'll see 4 options on the bottom of your screen. Tap on calls. Then tap on the plus icon on the top right corner of your screen. Now type in the person's phone number. Be sure to include the country code if they're outside of your country. After you've entered their number, tap on done or save depending on your device. Once saved, Viber will check if the person has a Viber account. If they do, you'll see them in your contacts. Now you can start chatting or calling them on Viber. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time.